Have you ever poured your heart into YouTube videos, spend hours editing, tweaking the thumbnail, the title, and everything, and it gets 37 views? You start thinking, maybe this just isn't for me. But what if it wasn't proof that you're failing? What if it's proof you're following the wrong system? Because there's a reason why most creators never cross 1,000 a month on YouTube. And it's not talent, it's not luck, it's because no one shows you how to turn attention into income. And here's why that happens and how to fix it. This is the roadmap to your first 10K month with YouTube, even if you're starting from zero. YouTube isn't just a content platform, it's a trust engine. When you treat your channel like a business with one clear offer, one viewer problem, and one conversion path, your videos stop being uploads and start becoming assets for your business. That's how I've had over 10K months consistently for the past year and a half using YouTube, selling high-ticket programs and courses. So let's break down exactly how I did it and how you can too. Step number 1, the one problem promise. Everything starts with one painful problem you solve for your viewers. Most creators talk to everyone and end up connecting with no one. But when you solve one repeating frustration, YouTube knows exactly who to push you to, and your audience knows exactly why they're following you. And so say your promise out loud. I help new creators make their first 10K with YouTube. If it feels too broad, make it smaller. If it feels too specific, perfect. That's your starting line, because clarity builds trust and trust builds income. And most people start filming before they ever define this, and that's why they spin in circles. Next up, I want to teach you the 3-step value ladder. So every video you post should feel like another step on a ladder that walks your viewers from stuck to successful. Don't post random videos. Map them out like a journey. Each video should solve one part of your audience's transformation, from mindset to tools to execution. So the first step is think. Search. What are they typing in to find answers to their questions? 2 is to solve. What's the fastest fix for this problem? And 3, use a story. How did you do it or learn to solve that problem? That mix of education and experience builds the kind of connection algorithms can't fake. The secret isn't more uploads, it's more direction. Which takes me to step number 3, the offer engine. Once your videos build trust, you need a clear step. That's your offer. It's what transforms your authority into income. So ask yourself, what's that one question my best viewer always asks? Could be something like, can you coach me? Do you have a course? Can you show me how to do this? That's your product idea waiting to happen. I started with simple coaching. And then I moved to high-ticket coaching when people were ready to go deeper with me. And you don't even have to hard sell. I never did. Tell stories, share transformations, show people what's possible. Because when your videos solve problems for free, your paid offer becomes the obvious next step. And that's the turning point, the moment you stop thinking like a creator and start thinking like a business owner. Which leads me to step 4, the systemized studio. Now that you've got your direction and your offer, you need consistency. This is where most creators burn out. They choose perfection instead of repetition. I film in batches, 1 shoot day, 4 to 6 videos in the same day, same setup. Hook, story, lesson, call to action, every time. And I outsource editing so I can stay focused on the creative and strategic side of my business. Because consistency beats creativity when it comes to income. According to TubeBuddy data, channels posting once a week grow 3 times faster than sporadic uploads. So don't overthink it. You don't need more energy, you need a system in place to keep you consistent. Which leads me to step number 5, the conversion ecosystem. This is the piece almost no one talks about, and it's the difference between a YouTube channel and a YouTube business. Every video should point somewhere, to a free resource, a mini course, a lead magnet, something that captures your audience and brings them into your world. Because 80% of creator revenue happens off platform. That's right, you heard me. 80% of your business income happens off platform. Once they download that freebie, you can email them more stories, more lessons and training, and naturally invite them to your offer when it makes sense. It's not pushy, it's service. And it turns one-time viewers into lifelong clients. This is how your channel becomes predictable, not just in views, but in revenue. When I started my channel, I was filming with a laptop and no microphone, and I had no clue what I was doing. I thought success on YouTube was YouTube AdSense or going viral. And it wasn't until I learned how to structure my message and build trust through teaching that everything changed. That's when people started saying things like, I feel like you're talking directly to me. And that's when income became more predictable too. And it's also when I realized the real shift isn't about hitting 10K months. It's about becoming the kind of person who can lead others there. Because once you can do that, your growth becomes unstoppable. Here's what this looks like in real life. Over the past 12 months, I've consistently had over 10K months from YouTube. Not from AdSense, not from having ads, but from building trust and leading viewers into the right offers. It works because it's not about going viral. It's about building trust that converts. So even though my views might go up and down, subscribers up and down, my income does not waver. Now you can see exactly why this system works. It's not theory, it's repeatable. So if you want help to build 10K months with YouTube, check out this video next, because this isn't about chasing views, it's about building freedom. Freedom to do what you love, to help people you like, and to get paid for it, sustainably and substantially. You're not just a creator, you're a builder. And your next video might just change everything. So stick with it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.